Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 13. Perimeter and area. Today our topic is what, children? Perimeter and area. So before, what is perimeter? What is perimeter? Before that, let me show you some figures. Tell me the shape of this. Tell me the shape.
Square.
Now what is this, children?
Circle.
Triangle. Okay, very good.
Circle bag.
Now the shape of the book. Children, the shape of the book. One, two, three. Three. Okay. So children, now you have told me some shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle, leaf, bangle. Yes, these are some shapes. In this, you can see some regular shapes and some are irregular shapes. Yes or no? These are regular and these are irregular shapes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can we measure the shapes? Can we measure the shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, let me measure the shape of the square. So, shall we measure? So, children, how we should measure? By using ruler. Ruler. Now fold your hands. See, now I'm going to measure the shape. Children, when you're measuring, you should start from 0. You should start from 0, not from 1. You should start from 0 and it is 13 centimeters. How much, children? 13.
30.
Okay. This side also 13 centimeters.
Ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, every side is only 13 only, ma'am.
Why? Because it is
Square.
Side.
Perimeter.
Now 1, 2, 3. Yes. Because it is square, all sides are equal. Now all the sides, how much you got it, children? 13 centimeters. How much? 13 centimeters. Now let me add this all the sides.
All are equal, ma'am.
Yes. Now add, children, 13 centimeters plus 13 centimeters. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, 39. Ma'am. 39. 39, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 39. 52. 52. 52
centimeters.
52.
So children, what did you find now?
Perimeter.
Perimeter is nothing but, children, the sum of all the sides. The sum of all the sides is called perimeter. The sum of all the sides of a closed figure. The sum of all the sides of a closed figure is called perimeter. Perimeter is called perimeter.
All the sides are equal because it's called perimeter. Ma'am, the rectangle.
All the sides is called perimeter. Now is it clear?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
the sides are
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
means
Yes.
we should call perimeter, ma'am.
Yes. See, here I am
Ma'am.
going to show you the leaf. See, here you can see the leaf. So, how you can measure this irregular shape?
By the ruler or
By ruler, is it possible to measure?
string,
No,
No,
ma'am.
it is
No.
not possible to measure
Measuring by string.
by
String,
using string or a thread. Take a thread
String.
or a string. Start from here. Children, start from the point.
And by the string.
Start from the
Yes, start from here.
ma'am. I
Then
think
circle it.
it's called the area. And
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Don't unmute, I said no.
No, ma'am.
See, children, start from here and measure with the thread or a rope. So, up to the end point. So, this total length you need to measure with ruler. This total length you should measure with ruler. How much you got it now? 23. How much length? 23.
23
centimeters.
centimeters.
Total length.
Leaf is 23 centimeters.
The total length of the boundary, children, the total length of the boundary of a leaf is 23 centimeters. Did you get it? Total length of the boundary of the leaf. How much, children? 23 centimeters.
Centimeters.
So perimeter is what, children? The sum of all the sides of a closed figure is called perimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
in rectangle, the centimeter will be different, ma'am, in the top.
Yes, it will be different. Now we are going to learn with each shapes. Okay? Triangle, rectangle, square.
Ma'am, I don't know how to measure the circle.
You don't know how to.
Ma'am, we can. Ma'am, we
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am.
measure.
Okay, now
have a
everyone
doubt.
hold your hands. One of
Ma'am.
your friend is telling, I don't know how to measure. Okay, everyone fold your hands. Take your Max notebook, textbook. Open your Max textbook. Open your Max textbook, everyone. Take a scale. Take a scale.
Okay.
Don't unmute. Take a scale.
Ma'am, big one or small one, ma'am?
Textbook means big book or small book, Tana Shiva.
Big book only, ma'am.
Take your Max textbook.
Ma'am.
Take your Max textbook. Take the scale. Start measuring your Max textbook, all the sides. Measure all the sides. Measure all the sides. Children, take Max textbook and scale. Take Max textbook and scale. Now take the scale. Start measuring the textbook. Start from 0. Measure all the sides. Measure all the sides. Everyone.
98 centimeters, ma'am.
No, all the sides.
Yes, ma'am, all the sides.
Ma'am, my scale is too small, ma'am. That's why I cannot measure. Ma'am, my scale
If it is too small, keep a dot point out here and again start joining from there. Add it. If it is too small, Vashni, listen to me. If the scale is too small, up to where you count, for example, 15 centimeters your scale. After 15, take a scale.
It is 100.
Start.
100.
This is your maths textbook. I think you got 21 centimeters.
Ma'am, we got 21, ma'am. 28 centimeters. We got 21.5, ma'am.
Yes. Listen, children. Here you got 21 centimeters. And
Ma'am, this is U1. 28 centimeters, ma'am.
27.
28.
So I told you, you should start from 0. You should start from 0, not from 1. Children, you should start from 0, not from 1. 1 second, please be in mute. 1 second. Children, most of you are starting from 1 and you are telling 28 centimeters. That is wrong. You should start, when you are measuring, you should start from 0. Okay?
I got 27, ma'am.
27. Yes. This side, yours 27 centimeters, 21 centimeters, and 27 centimeters. Because your textbook is in rectangular form. Your textbook is in rectangular form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, we got up first
Yes.
one.
So now what you should do, children? Perimeter. When you are finding the perimeter, what you have to do?
Let's
Add all the sides.
Ma'am, it's 30, ma'am. 21, ma'am. I'm 96, ma'am. I'm 96, ma'am. I'm 96, ma'am. I'm 96.
21
Ma'am, 48,
27 centimeters, and 21.
Ma'am, the answer is the 96 centimeters, ma'am. 96 only, ma'am.
Okay, now everyone mute. Everyone mute. So when we are find outing the perimeter, what we should do, children? Sum of all the sides. Sum of. So start from here. 21 centimeters plus 27.
Ma'am, I got the textbook 22 and half, ma'am.
Centimeters plus 27 centimeters. Add it.
97, ma'am.
96.
96, ma'am.
96 centimeters.
I'm exact 96, ma'am.
Exact
96
96 centimeters. Children, I told you before only, please don't unmute. So the perimeter of your textbook is what, children? 96 centimeters. Now is it clear? If the topic is clear, everyone show me the thumb up. Otherwise, if it is not clear, show me your thumb downwards.
Ma'am, I'm Harika. I don't have a scale, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes, it is clear. So children, now everyone fold your hands. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me where we use this perimeter in our daily life. Why we should learn this concept? Addition is there, subtraction is there. Arshit Verma, please. Addition concept is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, division is there, fraction is there. So many topics are there. Why we should learn perimeter concept?
Ma'am, for measuring things borders.
For measuring the things border. Okay.
Ma'am, and see how much total length it is.
Okay. Shall I tell you? Children, now fold your hands. See, your max teacher said to do some project.
Ma'am, we are measuring like books and phones means we will get the addition also, ma'am.
Okay. See, listen now. Hold your hands. Children, now your teacher said to do the max project. Okay? Then simply on the A4 sheet you will do the project. You should have some plan on that. Is it whatever the ma'am gave the things, is it sufficient in that A4 sheet, or you will think no?
Chart. We'll take a chart.
Yes. You will take a A4 sheet. Simply you will write, or you will give a border to that A4 sheet.
Border.
You will give a border. So simply you will draw the border, or you will take the paste on that paper.
Scale.
You
We'll
will
draw the
take
border
it.
by scale.
So how much you need that one? How much you need the tape? So there you will measure the perimeter. There will use the perimeter. So the boundary of the A4 sheet. So first you will measure the total length of the boundary of A4 sheet. Then you will get the perimeter. How much you need now? You will use it. Is it clear? Where we'll use? Like this, when you are building a house, first you will find out the perimeter of the house as this room for dining room, hall. First you will measure the perimeters. You will give the boundaries. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. There's a room with the help of measuring tape, ma'am.
With the help of measuring tape, you will measure. Children, now we are going to find out perimeter of a triangle. Now we are going to measure perimeter of triangle. So A, B, C. So children, in the perimeter of a triangle, in triangle and all the sides are equal? No. So what we should do? We should add all the sides. AB plus BC plus CA. Add all the sides. What is perimeter, children? The sum of all the sides of closed figure. The sum. Sum means plus or minus?
Yes.
Sum means
Yes.
sum means all the sides. The sum of all the
Yes.
sides is called perimeter. So what is the answer? AB plus BC plus CA, whatever. For example, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So what is the AB? The length of AB?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters.
3 centimeters.
The length of BC?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Now length of CA?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Now what is the
12
total?
centimeters, ma'am, is the answer. 17, ma'am. 17.
17.
No, ma'am. The answer is 12, ma'am. 12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. Perimeter of the triangle.
ma'am.
Yes. The perimeter of triangle is 12 centimeters. Is it clear? How to find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, children, I am going to give you one more equilateral triangle. Equi means all the sides are equal. Equi means all the sides are equal. A, B, C, D. So 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So if all the sides are equal, then we call
9 centimeters.
Equilateral triangle. Ma'am, 9 centimeters, ma'am. 9 centimeters.
Yes, wait, ma. Don't tell the
9
answer.
centimeters.
See, children, AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus
A.
BC plus CA. Okay?
Ma'am, the answer is
Here I am telling all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So what type of triangle, children, if all the sides are equal?
Equilateral triangle.
Triangle. If all the sides are equal, what is that? Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. So here children, then all the sides equal means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Yes or no? Now add
9 centimeters, ma'am.
side plus. Children, here what will say? Side plus side.
Side plus side.
9 centimeters, ma'am.
So how much children? Side plus side plus side?
9 centimeters.
How many?
Equilateral triangle.
Yes, listen to me. 1, 2,
3, 9.
1, 2, 3. 3. So here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 sides. So what is the formula for equilateral triangle, children? 3 into side. 3 into side. So 3 means 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So how 3 into side is it equilateral triangle formula what children?
3 into side.
3 into side. Only for all the sides are equal. Then what is the formula? Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Children, here we'll use the units. Units are very, very important. Just simply don't write 3, 9. That is wrong answer. What is that 9? What is that 9? There is no meaning.
The total length of
What we are using
centimeters.
when we are measuring
Centimeters.
centimeters, meters, kilometers, when we are measuring the length. So here you should write 9 centimeters. The same thing, whatever you are using, the same you should write down. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next one is what, children?
Ma'am, there are only 9 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are only 9 minutes.
Is it square?
Yes,
No, ma'am, it looks like a rectangle.
Now yes. So children, whenever you are drawing anything, you should name it. You should name the shape. A, B, C, D. What? A, B, C, D square. The square of A, B, C, D. So children, in the square, all the sides are equal. In the square, all sides are equal. Yes or no? First you add AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Yes? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Perimeter of a square. So perimeter means what, children? All the sides. Sum of. So sum of AB, BC, CD, AD. All the sides add. Children, in the square, all the sides are equal.
Equal.
In the square, all the sides are equal. So, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. AB is equal to BC equal to C. Because all the sides are equal, no? So then what we can do? AB plus, so AB is equal to BC means AB only. CD and AB are equal means AB. AB and DA, AB. So how many ABs are there, children?
4.
4.
4, ma'am.
What is this AB? What is that?
Ma'am, 4 into AB. The length name of a square.
The length name. So
The
what
name
is called side?
Ma'am, I didn't understand
Or side. Wait.
AB plus BC.
Say perimeter. We are finding the perimeter of a square, no, Tanish? We are finding the perimeter of a square. So when we are finding the perimeter, what is the formula for perimeter? Sum of all the sides. of a closed figure. Sum. So you should add it. AB, BC, CD, DA. Add all the sides. In the square, all the sides are equal?
Yes.
In the square, all the sides are equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So you can, so if all, for example, this
Yes,
is 4
ma'am.
centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. If all the sides are equal, can I keep equal symbol?
16 centimeters.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? All, so you can write
And we
in
can
the
put
place of,
infinity.
children, listen to me. Listen to me. It is new topic to you. Please, please listen to me. So in the place of BC, you can write AB, CD, AB, DA because all are equal. So how many ABs? 4.
4.
4. So
Four.
now what is this AB? This is the side of the square. Side, no? Children? So how many sides are there? 4. So what is the formula for perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a
4
square.
into 4 into side.
Children, this is your square, no? Listen to me. This is your square. All the sides are equal. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into A. 4 into S. In multiplication, repeated addition, how you will do repeated addition? 2 plus 2 plus 2 means how you will do 4 into 2. In the same way, here also, how many sides are there? 4 sides. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. So all the sides you need to add. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. And we have to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
All the sides you should add it.
16, ma'am.
16 centimeters. Now for
Madam,
the side,
it's like 16, ma'am.
now what is this, children?
Rectangle.
So in the rectangle, opposite side. Please, 1, 2, 3. Mute. Please be in mute. 1. Children, here you can see in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this is length and this is your breadth. This one, the long, children, horizontal line will say length. Horizontal part, what will say, children? Length. And vertical one will call breadth. Length, breadth. Okay? In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So now tell me perimeter of a square formula, children. Perimeter of a square.
4 into side. 4 into side. 4 into S. 4 into
Everyone,
S.
fold your hands, sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight. So what we have discussed, children, today? What is a perimeter?
Perimeter means the
sum
all the
of
sides are called
The sum of all the sides. The sum of all the sides. Now 1, 2, 3. Now next concept, triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is the formula perimeter of equilateral triangle?
All sides. All sides are equal.
3 into side. Because in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So S plus is equal to 3S. So what is the formula for perimeter of an equilateral triangle? 3 into side.
3 into S.
3 into S. That is 3 into side. Okay. Now perimeter of a square, 4 into side. 4 into side.
4 into
Because in the
S.
square, all the sides are equal.
Equal.
In the square, all the sides are equal. So the perimeter of a square is 4 into S. Children, today we have only 1 minute. Tomorrow we will discuss about rectangle. Okay. And by sharp 9 o'clock, I'm going to start
Ma'am.
the class. Please don't miss the class. Tanish, take the attendance.
Ma'am, I'm using the
Ma'am,
phone, ma'am.
At which line, ma'am?
I can't.